Tuesday, what, the 8th, 9th? I don't know what it is. April 2025. Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Night video. Dark video, early morning, 6 o'clock. I haven't figured out how to get the video out of the camera yet. I'll just have to upload this one. I was going to do a comparison between it and the S22. This is zoomed out all the way to 1. We have the off-road lights on and the standard lights. That is the off-road and bright lights. That is just the bright lights. And that is just dim lights. I need to be able to mount both cameras and do them side by side. But there's several features or processes that I haven't learned to use in this Google Pixel camera yet. You know, that's off-road lights, bright lights. We're going to purchase a fender, a trailer hitch, a screw-on antenna, and what else? Something else for the van that we just bought. It cranks and runs good, but then we got to have some tires. I pumped them up, and then one went flat. It's got a spare. Oh, a jack. We'll get this jack and get the spare out from underneath it. We could use ours, but I don't want to have to take the thing apart. We'll see how this does with the lens glare or night glare of oncoming vehicles. As we see more of the road this way, if we zoom up, you get a lot better vision, but you see much less of the road. But so far, it looks like it's good video, doesn't it? And going back to dim, taking the off-road lights off as we are about to get on the highway. Another thing I've got to learn is this phone camera will only record for 10 minutes on video, and it cuts off. We've got to figure out how to get it to extend that, and also how to get it to combine pictures and videos in a longer video. It wants you to use the, see that flare from the headlights. I don't know that I've got a camera, phone or otherwise, that does real good with the headlights and the other lights, street lights and stuff, red lights. can to get that van up and going, get some tires. We may take the tires off of this one and put on it, or we can drive it around a little bit and completely evaluate it to see whether we want to keep it or sell it. It's a nice van. It's got a bunch of the, the paint coming off like the others do, but I wouldn't mind selling it and finding another one to do the same thing with, try to make a little money on it to help defer expenses. These jerks coming up with bright lights on us, 3 lights on each side. Super duty piece of crap. We're 6.5 minutes into this. It'll cut off automatically at 10 minutes. Good video. Okay, this is with the default at 1x for night vision. The horizon in the camera is brighter than the horizon me looking at it, so it's taking in, it's amplifying light. We'll be uploading this one shortly. I haven't been uploading hardly anything. I've got 2 or 3 videos just about ready with the Insta360 with me taking the alternator off of that other van. We were going to rebuild that alternator, but we got the wrong alternator kit. The kit said it was for this one, but it wasn't. Internal parts are not the same as this kit. And sometimes aftermarket are different, but this one, the bolt holes aren't even lining up. So we're sending it back. We've only got another alternator, so it's cranking and running fine now. Oil pressure, charging. Once it warms up, it starts smoking some of that grease off the motor. But it's not burning oil or anything. We just got to get some tires now, or we can get on the road a little bit in it. Okay, this is a little over 9 minutes. We'll be turning it off shortly. Yeah, see, if we could figure it out, we could add pictures or video onto the back of this, make it a longer video, but they want you to do it on the cloud through the internet. And I do not like that at all. I like all of my stuff in-house. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this off.